Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder, and today I want to talk about my plans for 2024 when it comes to Blocks templates, and I want to share with you the new template I have developed for Blocks 5. As you know, on Blocks templates I have about 67 or something templates already, and some of them are 7-8 years old. It's embarrassing at this point, to be honest. But because there are so many, and because my main focus for this year is still going to be Minimalist Library, which is my favorite product, as well as Blocks Master courses, I'm going to release the new module for WordPress. When it comes to Blocks templates, I have decided that I want to improve the collection I have right now, but instead of slightly upgrading all of the 60 something templates, I plan to release 10 to 12 highest quality premium templates for Blocks 5 this year, starting with the new template I'm releasing today, which is called Studio. And the special thing about it is based on the design of my own web design agency, which I've been running for a while now, and it brought actually more than half of my revenue last year. So the layouts and well, the website works. It brings a lot of leads. I still need to update my own web design studio, this portfolio, the recent projects and stuff like that. But the design itself, I think it's very efficient, it looks great, I think. And there are a few interesting features which I'm going to share with you right now, which make it quite unique when it comes to Blocks websites. So let's jump into my computer and let's look at these few interesting features I wanted to mention in this video. So let's take a look at the Studio template. This is how it looks in Blocks. And as you can see, it has some bluish design right now. Let me actually bring the Safari to show you how it looks online, uploaded to my Blocks templates website. So as you can see, there are a few cool things. First of all, you can see this boxy line aligned design. You can see everything is blue at the moment. There's some cool animated links, some portfolio sections. There is some testimonials, which are built using the new horizontal scroll brick we have in Blocks. Not a brick, the functionality, I guess. And some integrations, the tools I'm using for my web design studio. These are all from my web design studio, and you can see WebD Studio. This is the name of my website. You can see it pretty much the same because I didn't delete almost any functionality from the website, just change the text and images, and it's yours to use for your website. I will actually show it to you on the real website right now. As you can see, I have some real projects and I have some real reviews here. I have the same tools. I have some real services I'm offering. You can see on the template, I have just renamed them because it's yours to fill. I have 4 service kind of sections here. Go full screen, you can see now we have these 4 sections, and when we click on it, it will bring this model, this all of the information I want to receive from potential clients. On my website, I can see it is a little bit orange color, not blue, but works the same when people click. And by the way, you just saw it a little bit differently. This whole website supports the auto dark and light mode, another big feature. So when you click on it, you can see it brings the same model. And if we switch to dark mode, we need to refresh it once because some of the classes need to be refreshed in order to switch to the dark theme. And you can see now we have this model in dark as well. Some FAQ section. Let's actually go to white mode, light mode this time. Yeah, as you can see, it works fine. It works great actually. It has some some quote from Steve Jobs on my website. On the Blog Studio, I asked ChatGPT to put something for me, and I think it generated this quote. And again, let's refresh it. So all these strange things will be now switched to light mode. Obviously, a user will not be switching the light or dark mode on their website when they're visiting already. It's only determined at the first visit of the website which dark or light version to load. And what else? Well, I'm using single page version, single page design, and I have designed the template as well. The first home page has these scroll to target sections, which are working great for me. Again, I'm saying the efficiency, the amount of leads I'm getting from this website is amazing, and not related to blogs in any way, by the way. But I also included the separate pages. There are 7 pages coming with this template. For example, the services page, as you can see, dedicated services page. You can link this link in the menu, which right now is linked to the scroll to target section on the home page. You can link it to the separate page if you want. Same goes for work. Let's go to work. You can see there are a little bit more sections here, and like about and other pages. You can see about as well. We have this full screen image text. And again, everything is super high quality, super optimized, polished to the pixel, because I mean, one of the reasons I wanted to do this, I mean, release my own agency, is because while I work on my own agency website, I really go into details. And this time around, I'm sharing everything with you. These are my clients, these are my customers. And by the way, you can see that the website has this frosted glass look, and it is everywhere, actually, across the navbar, images, text, everywhere. I think it looks cool. You can easily disable it if you don't like it. I like it actually, and I think it brings it a little bit different feeling. In my experience, premium feeling, but whatever, it's up to you. You can disable it if you want. You can see this plus icons, also custom made by me. This is part of the custom minimalist library, by the way. I'm using it all the time. But as you can see, I have this rotated animation. And yeah, there are real questions and answers here. On the template itself, I have some simplified, I think the same question, the same answer. Yeah, something like this. But it works great. So this is the first of the templates I'm releasing this year. It is super high quality. The best thing about it is the optimization level is just out of this world. Everything is super, super polished. It looks great on all devices. And again, if we switch to light mode, you can see that everything everything is optimized for every single pixel. And if we switch to, you can see, if we switch to different breakpoints, the menu itself and every other element on the website is getting optimized perfectly to be in line with the device size. I'm excited to share more premium templates like this in coming months. And if you have any suggestions or requests, I'm also happy to hear them.